so cool. What do you think about it, Sammy? This is rebuilt it so like we don't have to like stick together the things that there isn't. But I don't want to break. Let's take it out. Okay, let's not try to break it. Oh boy, I know. I'll grab the box and you pull it out. Teamwork. Oh wow, this is all the ingredients we need. Oh, this is really nice. Oh. This is really hard. This is your part. Yeah. Probably is right now. So, so you decorate the chimney, and then what color should you use? Little hoops here. Oh, and I am gonna be using. Where is it? Oh, I'm gonna be using one of the. I'm gonna use this one, and then make twirls on the top. So, let's do this. I'm a decorating monster. Pew pew. Okay, first let's start with green. I was like, this won't come out, and you said this won't open. Finally, so we just found out that we're supposed to knead it so it could become warm, and it won't be like so hard to do it. And it says right here, massage the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes. It's already coming out. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard. Oh, is it coming out? Yeah, it's coming out. No, I'm talking about myself. Oh yeah, I see it. You guys, it looks so good. the second one turned out good, but look at the first one. The first button was too much of a mess. Okay, I need the red. Thank you. Whoops. Okay, we're gonna have to squeeze more. That's gonna look really well. Ah! Wait, and Ella's enjoying the chimney. She's like, might as well. Okay, this is What? See, it's actually coming up. Oh, that's good. See, the bottom one over here, it turned out really well. Oh no! It's okay, you can lick it. Because it's just a tiny bit, right? It's starting to get dark. It's so good! Am I okay? I just want to put this whole thing in my mouth like hot. Now! That mouth. Wow, actually. Just. What is this? Is this a door? Yeah, that's a door. Yeah, but I don't know if that's a door. It was with it, but then it broke. Okay, then that is part of the door. Mama, I think that's too hot. Did you look something? I didn't look anything. This is turning out so smooth. I like the decorations. Gonna make some hair. There's barely any red. I think we should save some for her. Yeah. So, let's keep that aside. And it smells like lemon. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best. Holly jolly Christmas. Just to let you know, if you guys want to see my channel, the link will be down below. So go to Sammy. Okay, I can't take too much again. It's the best time. Look it. Yeah, look it. How about let's not do that actually? Look at that one. Here, next to the window. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. Let me decorate it though. Let's put some. Yeah, start. What's after? Oh, here. Can I have the frosting? Did it? Oh. really well. Brother. Oh. Uh-oh. That won't, Okay. Now we're gonna bite it. We're finally done. Well, with the roof, though. That's the only thing we did. Well, not just, but yeah. Let's just take a bite. How in the world are you supposed to bite this? That's really hard to bite. Why not me then? The gummy was not close.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy
Thank you for watching this
New
video.
Year.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe to the Bye! Merry Christmas!
Now bring